This is just another quick update. You can see how bright it is. The sun's going down over there. And if you look up here, it's really strange. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a black line. That's neat. And then if you go on this side, the rainbow. There's a huge rainbow. So if I get it on camera, it's stretching all the way over there. And it's just really strange to see the light. It's brighter over there on the other side of the earth as the sun goes down.
Good morning. What are you doing?
This is this week's sky update. There's some huge thunderstorm coming in over here right now. I was hearing the lightning, so I came outside. You can really feel that sun coming down. It's been extremely hot the last couple days. I mean, it's just been non-stop with that. Let's see if I can back up here and get some of this on film for you guys. Yeah, this was a big storm. All the large thunderstorms have been rolling in, I've noticed. They all get the powder ahead of it, ahead of the storm. And then once the storm runs into all that, it just spreads out and we don't get a lot of rain. The entire sky is covered with this. Material. Here we are the next day. I have no idea what happened to the old sun that was yellow and calm. That's the white bright star right there. Plasma ball. And you turn over here, here's one of those square clouds. Well, it's like rectangular now. And then I don't even know what you call this wispy thing right here. Always see scary faces up there, but that's today's sky. I'll edit this together for you. Alright, here we are the next day. Like I said, it's just a quick video update. Add this stuff together for you guys. There's my super intense sun right there. We spin around this way. I haven't been able to make the videos because I've been just so tired and fatigued. It's endless. Exhaustion. I mean, what do you call this right here? This floating mass of sewage. I mean, look at it. It's the sun. Look at this immense amount of particles in the air. And so you can see the sun is shining through. I guess I'll call this particle beam of light too. Wow. Look, there's the moon right there. And then all that. See if I can get some of this lightning on here for you guys. This big storm rolling in. God, I hope I got that on film. See, here's the sky at the end of the day. It's got this really weird color to it. I'm coughing up a lot of phlegm. Weird color to it. It's like bright orange. The fire sunset. Here's this side. I'm gonna spin around this way. My purple and orange sunset. No, really, it looks like the clouds are being boiled from above. You know, we got no rain from that huge thunderstorm. Nothing, it just flattened out, completely destroyed. Yeah, clouds would come in, like I showed earlier in the video, and then they just get completely destroyed. And the sun's setting over there. It looks like it's on fire. Doesn't that look crazy? That's wicked looking. And my neighbor even sees it.